From the quiet darkness of space, Jupiter appears as a serene, majestic marble, a silent king ruling over its domain of tiny moons. Its swirling bands of cream and caramel paint a picture of tranquility. But this peaceful facade hides a nature so violent it redefines our understanding of planetary hostility. This isn't a gentle giant. It's the most terrifying and inhospitable world in our entire solar system. It all begins with its immense gravity. Jupiter is a cosmic monster, containing more than twice the mass of all other planets in our solar system combined. This creates a gravitational pull so powerful it acts as a cosmic gatekeeper. Anything that strays too close, asteroids, comets, even fledgling planets, is either captured into a chaotic orbit, torn apart by immense tidal forces, or violently ejected from the solar system entirely. If you could somehow survive that pull and descend into its atmosphere, you'd find no solid ground to land on. Jupiter is a bottomless ocean of gas. Plunging into its upper clouds, you'd be met by jet streams screaming past at over 1,450 kilometers per hour, winds far faster than any hurricane on Earth. This atmospheric chaos is electrified by colossal lightning storms, with bolts that can be 1,000 times more powerful than our own, flashing across entire continents of cloud. And then there's the Great Red Spot, a raging anticyclone wider than our entire planet. A storm that has been churning relentlessly for centuries with no signs of stopping. Go deeper, and the environment becomes even more alien. The pressure rapidly intensifies, reaching levels millions of times greater than on Earth's surface, enough to crush any spacecraft into a microscopic speck. Here, the most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen, is squeezed so intensely that it transforms into a bizarre, electrically conductive liquid known as metallic hydrogen. In this crushing, otherworldly sea, the very laws of chemistry begin to warp. This metallic ocean generates the most powerful magnetic field of any planet in the solar system, 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. This field creates a vast, invisible bubble, the magnetosphere, that traps a swarm of charged particles. These particles form radiation belts so intense they could deliver a lethal dose to an unshielded astronaut in minutes and would fry the electronics of any probe that dared to linger. This brutal radiation fuels spectacular planet-sized auroras at Jupiter's poles, a beautiful but deadly light show. The danger extends to its moons. The volcanic moon Io constantly spews sulfur into space, feeding Jupiter's plasma torus and intensifying the radiation. Even promising worlds like Europa, with its hidden ocean, are relentlessly bombarded, their surfaces sterilized by this invisible storm. The giant moon Ganymede is forced to generate its own magnetic field just to survive within Jupiter's larger, more oppressive one. Jupiter's destructive power was put on full display when it captured and tore apart the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. The fragments slammed into its atmosphere, leaving behind impact scars larger than the Earth itself, dark bruises on the face of the giant. This event proved Jupiter acts as both our solar system's shield and its greatest menace. It protects us from some threats, but its sheer power is a constant, terrifying reminder of the violence inherent in the cosmos. Peaceful, not even close. Jupiter is beautiful from afar, but absolutely terrifying up close.